whānau. Far out. Awesome seeing you here today. E karanga ana ngā pūawa nui. Do you know what that means? It's toy time! Reko!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Oh, kia ora. My name is Riki, and these are my friends Maya and Jojo.
Kia ora.
Nau mai ki tō tātou mara. We have been working hard on our garden. I'm raking the ground.
I'm gathering hua whenua, vegetables.
And I'm watering the garden with my hose. See?
It's fun working in our mara.
It sure is. But do you know what else is fun?
What?
This.
Oh, cheeky.
Tō nana kia hoki, Jojo.
Oh, hey, Maya, your veggies look ripe and delicious.
Oh, thank you, Ehua. I love growing veggies and fruit and trees and flowers. Seeing them grow from a tiny seed to a strong plant is magical. Just look at all the beautiful hua we've grown so far. Oh, no.
What is it, Maya?
A weed. We need to act fast and remove it as soon as possible.
I thought weeds were plants too.
Oh, they are, but sometimes they can grow in the wrong place. And if they grow next to the kai or flowers, they'll take away their nutrients.
Nutrients?
Aye, nutrients gives them the kaha to grow. They don't mean to, it's just what weeds do.
Well, what do we do, Maya?
Oh, not to worry, my friends. I have what they like to call green thumbs.
Your thumbs don't look green to me, Maya.
Oh, no, silly. Green thumbs is a way to say you're a great gardener.
Oh. Now, let me see.
Okay. Stand back. Oh. Toru, rua, and tahi.
Oh, nice work, Maya.
Thank you. Come on, let's get this weed somewhere far away from the garden. Oh.
We need plants, they give us kai from what we grow in the garden. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree and everything in between. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree and everything in between. We need plants, harakeke, to wheel out kete. And our putti, from the smallest seed to the biggest tree, and everything in between. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree, and everything in between. We need plants, they help us heal with romoa, pahatinana. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree, and everything in between. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree, and everything in between. We need plants, they give us air to help us breathe in oxygen. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree, and everything in between. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree, and everything in between. We need plants for our manu to build their homes high in the rago. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree, and everything in between. From the smallest seed to the biggest tree, and everything in between.
Hey, Maya.
Hey, Jojo.
How are you going with the vases?
Oh, I'm almost done. What do you think?
I nā te ātahua o ēnei puti puti.
Ngā mihi, Jojo. Hey, how are you going with the sign?
I'm almost done. We just need a name.
Ooh. What shall we call our shop?
It has to be something glorious.
Glorious.
Glorious?
Gumboot?
Garden
Shop! Glorious Gumboot Garden Shop.
Hey, Maya, how much shall our gumboot vases cost?
Oh, How about whatever koino o taonga you can find laying around?
Perfect. This is going to be great.
Jojo, we still have these puti puti left. We need to find a gumboot for them.
No worries, Maya. I have an idea. I know exactly where to find one.
I wonder where she's heading to. Wow, Jojo, you're incredible. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, I left it over there. Maybe a wolfie took it. I don't know. Oh, tēnā kōrua. Whoa, what do we have here?
Our glorious gumboot garden shop.
Care to purchase a vase, Buzz?
Oh, gee, neat, all right. Absolutely. How much?
Oh, just whatever you have.
I have 1, 2, 3, $3.50. Hold on a second. Isn't that my gumboot?
Oops.
That's all good. My boot looks even better as a glorious gumboot garden vase than it does on my foot. I love it. Here you go. Oh, this is going to look good in my garden at home.
Hey, Buzz, do you think we could use the other gumboot too, if you don't need it?
Oh, be my guest. Okay, here up. Oh.
Our first happy customer. Oh.
Kia ora, friends. My name is Auntie Anika. Did you know that plants are like ninja warriors? This is my ninja warrior flower friend, Puti Puti. Hi! Puti Puti has many qualities of a ninja warrior, like agility. That means she can move quickly and easily. In summer and spring, Puti Puti opens her petals right out wide, like how she is now. In the winter, she gets a little cold, so she closes her petals right in. Cool, eh? And super agile. Yeah. Another ninja quality Puti Puti has is resilience. That means being very strong, no matter what comes your way. Puti Puti are tough cookies. They endure a blistering cold and the scorching hot weather, and they never complain. Next, Puti Puti, do you know what's next? Yeah. What? What did the rose do? Scandalous. Oh my gosh, really? Oh, you're funny. Anyway, we'll talk later, okay? The last ninja quality is Zen. Zen is when you are calm and relaxed and you have no worries. This is my favorite ninja quality of all. Plants aren't worried about what happened yesterday or what will happen tomorrow. They're just in the moment, right here, right now. Yeah! Come on, Puti Puti.
Oh! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm exploring Te Wānui a Tāne. Hey, let me introduce you to some of the most amazingest things in the whole wide world. Plants and trees. Hoake tātou. Kia ora. Hey, check this out, my cuzzies. This rākau is called a pōhutukawa. It's such a special rako and such a special tree to me because they grow all over our farm. I love it so much because it has a special tohu. When its flowers bloom, that means the kina are fat. I'm up for a dive. Come on, my cuzzies. Hang on a second. The pohutsukawa isn't even flowering. All right, back on to the next rako. Let's go. Wow. Did you know that plants can be used as rongoa? Medicine! This rako is called kawakawa. My nana used to make a rongoa out of this for her toothache. Pretty awesome, eh? And check it out. Its leaves are shaped like a heart. Ah, kia ora. Come on! Did you know that plants also give us food? These plants are called taro. Yeah! Did you know, my cuzzies, plants and trees have an amazing superpower? Can you guess what it is? That's right! They create oxygen. And I breathe oxygen. Haki roto! Haki waho. Much better. Come on, my cuzzies! Another great thing about our trees is they give us shade. Much better. All right, back on our missions. But my most favourite thing about the Waonuiatane, it's beautiful. Mauri ora. Ka kite anō, my cuzzies. Is that a penguin?
Oh, hi, Wolfie. Ooh, what have you got behind your back?
Who? Me?
Oh, yes, you. What have you got there, Wolfie?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, Wolfie, I can see you're hiding something.
Oh, okay, Oma. But you have to cover your eyes first. Do you promise?
Yes, I promise. Pinky promise.
Okay, cover your eyes and I'll count to toru. Ready?
Ready?
Tahi, rua, toru.
Wow. Is this for me, Wolfie?
It sure is. I bought it from Maya and Jojo's glorious gumboot garden shop, especially for you.
Wow. Oh, te tahua hoki. Thank you, Wolfie. It's beautiful.
Knock, knock.
I wonder who that could be. Hello? Who's there?
Vera.
Vera who?
Oh, Vera, all the flowers gone.
They're at the glorious Gumboot Garden Shop.
Hey, Jojo, you keen on some tākaro time?
Yes, what are we playing today?
Oh, you'll find out soon enough, my friend. But first, let's head to the backyard.
Yes!
Woo! I've had this idea sprouting in my head all day.
Oh, do tell us.
It's the best, most amazingest, craziest and funnest game that I've just invented today. It's called, drumroll please, Weeds and Seeds.
Oh, cool. Do I need anything?
Nothing but your quick roro, my friend. You need all your quick brain power.
Great. How do we play?
Now, you have to make sure that you're far away from me. Go over there. And I've got to make sure that I'm turned away from you so I can't see you.
Right.
Where'd you go? Oh, when I yell seeds, you have to run towards me as quick as you can. But when I yell weeds, I turn around and you have to stop. You have to make sure you don't move a muscle, Jojo, because if you do, you're out. But if you make it all the way to me, you're the winner!
Oh, that sounds so fun.
I knew you'd like it. All right, ready?
Hi, let's go.
Seeds! Weeds! Seeds! Weeds! Ooh. Seeds! Weeds! Where's Jojo?
Thanks, Buzz. Hey, let's play again.
Yes!
Seeds! Weeds! Seeds! Weeds! Flowers! Ooh, tickle, 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 tickle. There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It is a spider. It loves to tickle me, but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend. There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It is a bee. It loves to buzz, 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 but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend. There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It's a cicada. It loves to sing to me, but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend.
Today we're working in our school garden and we have to put our gloves on first.
Does anyone need help?
I need help. It's my job to do the wheelbarrow today. All you gotta do is just lift it up. We found a monarch butterfly chrysalis on one of the trees. I think there's two. And we also found the monarch butterfly wing.
I found a monarch butterfly wing.
Today we're pulling out the kumas to see if we have any at the ground.
Okay, so these grew themselves in here, and we're going to see if there's any kumara underneath. So we're going to pull these all out like this and get them into the wheelbarrow. Pull hard, good work.
We found some kumara and we found some potatoes.
Amelia, look, it's a kumara.
Yeah, guavas, not advanced.
This is finding heaps of worms. Look, I can see one big. Oh, no touchdown. Well, we got a worm. Honestly, means the soil's good and healthy. Look at this. This is a big kumara.
Look how big it is. We've got lots of different plants in our garden. Working in our garden is fun because it helps us make food for our afternoon tea. We collected all of the dead cabbage from our cabbage trees. And we're making fire starters.
Look, I made one.
Look how many fire starters were made. I'm using my muscles to bend it in half. I'm really strong because I eat lots of veggies.
Let's tie the knot.
Tying the knots is a bit tricky. My mum helps me.
I folded one. Bye.
Oh no. You're looking a little bit down in the dumps, my poor little plant friend. Hey, Mohio.
Kia ora, Riki. How can I help?
My plant seemed fine a few days ago, but now it's looking a little sad and droopy. What does my plant need to be happy again?
Plants need water to survive and be happy.
Oh, so plants get thirsty like us. Well, when I'm thirsty, my mouth feels dry. So how do you know when your plant needs water?
Your plant needs water when their soil feels dry to the touch.
It is feeling quite dry. I'll water it right now. Thanks, Mohio. There you go. Better.
Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see. Look at all the trees, the rocks and shrubs, brown and orange and green. Bend down low, you might see some grubs, such great sights waiting to be seen. Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see. If we need a shelter, we could build a hut, gather some sticks and leaves, pick up pine needles to cover it up. We can stay inside as long as we please. Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see. Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see. Can you hear that trickling sound? We might find a river or creek. Whited air, waterfall up high, splashing everything that's around the stream. Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see. Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see.
Kia ora. Good evening and welcome to tonight's broadcast. Not only do flowers make our world beautiful, they're also very important for bees. Let's take a closer look. The roots of the flowers absorb the water, and the water could come from the rain or your handy watering can. The water travels all the way up the stem, which helps support the flower. The leaves are super magical. They absorb the water and air and turn sunlight into energy. And lastly, flowers hold seeds, nectar, and pollen. Bees eat the nectar and collect the pollen, which helps them make honey. Bzzz. Boop. Oh, hootie order.
Thanks, Vicky.
That's okay, Maya. That's the end of tonight's broadcast. Ka kite anō.
And a 1, 2, 12, 74.
Hey, Buzz, what's this dance move called?
The sprinkler!
Ah.
Hey, did you hear about the sprinkler that tried to spray my eye?
No.
They missed.
Hi. We're gonna feed the goats today.
What are we going to feed the ghosts today, mate?
Food scraps,
And
cauliflower, kiwi, pear, feijoa. Goats eat everything.
okay. You walk out with me? You want to carry the bucket? Here you go.
Oh, don't heavy for me. The goats are very cheeky.
Let's go. Come on, Bodie.
And they're very greedy too. They're really hungry. Billy just wants to eat the grass. Grumpy's got his head in the bucket. I like to give them a little brush. Their hair is more rough than my hair. I try to take Billy for a walk.
No, look at all these delicious plants.
He doesn't really want to walk, he just wants to eat. And I tell him off.
No more eating, you'll get a cramp in your tummy.
I say, no, Billy.
Come on.
Come on.
Let's go home.
He's eating everything again. He's allowed to eat a little bit of Mum's treat. I love having goats. Goats are funny.
Bye!
Hello, I'm Frank and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about shopping at a market. On a sunny morning at the Wellington market, Grandma Pawpaw took Jean and Joy shopping for fruit and vegetables. The market was bustling with activity, from vendors stacking crates of fresh fruit to shoppers filling their baskets with dinner ingredients. Jean and Joy stayed close to Pawpaw, who was choosing bananas from a big crate. "Can we help?" asked Jean. "Yes," said Pawpaw. "Look for bright yellow bananas. They'll be the best for eating." Joy picked a bunch of bananas that were a little green. "Not quite. Those aren't quite ready for eating yet," said Pawpaw. Jean picked up a banana covered in brown spots. "That one is too ripe for eating. One of these are perfect," said Pawpaw, choosing a bright yellow bunch. Next, Pawpaw looked at the onions. For onions, the perfect ones have smooth brown skin and no shoots sprouting from the top, she said. Looking carefully, Jean and Joy each picked an onion from the pile. "Yes, those are perfect," said their grandmother. "No wonder your cooking is so delicious," said Joy. "You always pick the freshest ingredients." Pawpaw laughed. "My grandmother taught me how to pick the best fruit and vegetables, and now I get to teach you." Jean and Joy smiled, proud to learn from their amazing grandma. The end.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy foi.